sheep, farm animals, sheep. Table of content. Meet the sheep. Bear. Sheep graze in the sun on the farm. The flock's hard hoofs sink into the soft ground. Soft ground. Hoof. Sink into the soft ground. Sheep have thick fur called wool. Wool. Thick fur. A sheep's wool can be white, tan, brown, or other colors. Some sheep are spotted. They can be a white color, tan, brown, or other colors. Some sheep are spotted. About 900 different breeds of sheep lived around the world. An adult sheep can weigh up to 400 pounds, 181 kilograms, depending on its breed. Sheep, there are 900 different breeds. They can weigh up to 181 kilograms. Adults and babies. Male and female sheep live on the farm. Males are called rams. Female sheep are called ewes. Rams and ewes live between 6 and 11 years. Papa is called ram, Mama is called ewes. Ewes, Mama sheep, baby sheep is called lamb. A baby sheep is called a lamb. Lambs are born in spring. They can stand soon after birth. Lambs jump and play together. One lamb, two lambs. They jump and play together. Time to eat. Sheep eat grass and plants. They also eat hay and grain. Sheep swallow their food, and later they blurt up the food and chew it. Sheep eat grass and the plants. On the farm, farmers raise sheep for their meat and wool. This is wool. This is the wool, Sometimes sheep are raised for their milk. A sheep wool is made into clothing and blankets. You can have made this into clothing or blankets. Farmers shave the sheep wool in late spring and early summer. This is called shearing. The wool can weigh up to 20 pounds or 9 kilograms each year. Shearing is cutting the wool off the sheep. This is the wool. Foxes and other predators attack sheep. Farmers use dogs, donkeys, and llamas to watch over the flock. Sheep stay safe on the farm. That is the dog. He look after the sheep from foxes. Grocery. Breed is a certain kind of animal within an animal group. Flock is a group of animals of one kind that live, travel, and feed together. A group of sheep is called a flock. Graze, to eat grass that is growing in a field. Hoof is the hard covering over a certain animal foot. Sheep, horses, and deer have hoof. Pastures, the land where farm animals eat grass and exercise. Predators is an animal that hunts another animals for food. Wool is the soft, thick, curly hair of sheep and certain other animals such as llama and alpacas. Read more. Internet site. The end. Thank you. There are also other books in farm animals in the set called alpacas, chickens, cows, donkeys, ducks, farm dogs, goats, horses, pigs, sheep. Quack. Moo hee haw. It's another day on the farm. From warding ducks to baying sheep, farm animals have big roles to play. Find out about each animal's physical features, diets, life cycle, and what life is like living on a farm. Sheep are at home on the farm. Their wool can be made into clothing or blankets. Their milk can be made into cheese. Find out all about these important farm animals. The end.